Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Recently released Windows new update KB5015730. So this is not install to fail and facing some error. So how to fix? Firstly, you click to start button, setting, then systems, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and Windows update run. So this is actually Windows by default feature of the troubleshoot, so showing have any issues, so show in this. Okay, so all protocol and services run and restart automatically by Windows. So please wait few minutes and then read how the dialog is giving the Windows troubleshooter. Yeah, and you can minimize also, and then I give you second step. So start button, type CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes, type SFC space slash scan now, check the Windows update issue. Okay, and then close. Now this enter this command, enter. So guys, this is actually this command used for some corrupted files to restore automatically, and then 100% solve the problem. So actually this is read your one by one your Windows files, who's corrupted, who's repaired, and all. Okay, so you also minimize. And guys, Windows are services, not MSC, and then enter. So background installations transfer service, this, yes, just select to restart, and then press to W for Windows update. We want to Windows update service also restart, so restart and then close. Okay, so guys, when it is finished, so please restart your systems and then check. Okay, bye bye, take care. Have an issue, please comment me, I will support you. Bye bye.